Hey, we're in the Boise foothills, gonna check out a house here. Rivers wanted to come preview this one, so he's actually in here. This is a 2,300 square foot single story home, very tastefully done with agreeable gray. It presents like new construction that's been professionally staged. I'm not sure if someone lives here or not. I think they do, but Rivers and Yuko are here checking it out. You got the white quartz countertop, flush undermount, stainless steel barn sink there, high-end matching stainless steel appliances, soft close cabinets, very nicely done. Open room, and these light fixtures are awesome. There's River's awesome Tesla. And you actually have a peekaboo view of the Capitol building and some of the buildings downtown there and the rest of the town. So as you come in here on the left, there's 2 bedrooms, one being used as an office, but there is a closet over there. Shared bathroom, really nicely done with the rolling glass door. I really like the light fixtures in this house. I don't know if they did all this just to sell it here because the market's great, or if they had it like this. The backyard's really tastefully done. Nice desert landscaping back there. And then separate laundry room. And then you have access to the backyard. 3 big windows here in bedroom number 3. And then that goes out to the garage. We'll go there in 1 second. This is the master. Nice wraparound bay windows there. And I really like the curtain rods. Those are tastefully done. Barn doors for the bathroom here. Large deep tub. They've just really done a nice job on all the light fixtures, accents, and beautiful home. It was built in 1999, but it shows like new construction that was professionally staged. And then you've got 2 single garage doors with tandem parking here. Shop above car storage. You've got a 12-foot door here to bring a big RV in. Then it wouldn't be tandem. You could fit 2 smaller cars or an RV parking. So anyway, thanks for coming on the tour. Thanks for joining, Rivers.
Yeah, it's a pretty sweet house.
Yeah.
I'm impressed.
Maybe I'll be living here.
That would be cool. I wouldn't mind putting a bid on it, but I don't know.
All right, well, the boss is here, so see you guys later.